In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Lovable site into a WordPress theme. Now, the first thing you want to do, you first have to create your website using Lovable. So, for example, I just told you to generate a random website I'll then be able to use for a WordPress template. So it just went ahead and generated a random, basically digital website, whatever this is. And then here, it's going to basically give you everything. And after it's finished, you have to go ahead and type in this prompt. So just tell it to go ahead and create the full WordPress one-page theme file by file, and then you can just type in these things to start with, and then go ahead and type this in, and then continue with these things over here, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, now basically tell it whatever I told it over here, just retype that in here, and then it's gonna go ahead and create a template WordPress theme based whatever. And then here you want to go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom after this is done. By the way, this does take a few minutes, so just be patient and wait. Go to the very bottom, and then here where it says create WordPress theme files or whatever it says, it's going to say code. Click on code next to it, and then click on view on GitHub. Now, for the first time you do this, you're going to have to connect your GitHub over here. It's very easy. You just press 2 buttons and you are done. And then you want to click on view GitHub again, and it's going to prompt you to sign into your account. After you do that, you'll be able to see this. Now, first click on code top left, and this is going to take to the code over here. Then click on code again, and then go to over here where it says download zip at the very bottom. After you click on that, it's going to download a zip folder, and then the next step is to basically open up that zip folder. So as you can see, I have it here in my downloads. Right click on that, and then click on extract all, extract. So it's going to unzip it, and then here you're going to be able to open up the unzipped folder, open it up again, and you should look for one of these things. So if I go ahead and basically sort this, down here there's going to be a few different folders. You should look for this one which says template parts or something regarding template. So it's going to say something regarding this, and whenever you basically open it up, you'll be able to see a bunch of different sections. Now copy this by clicking Ctrl+C or right click copy. Paste it somewhere inside your folder. So I'm going to go ahead and put it inside my downloads folder. And then you want to zip this part. So right click it, compress to, and then zip file, and then name it whatever. So for example, template, there we go. And then you have this template.zip. What you then should do is you want to go to your dashboard inside your WordPress, click on appearance down here in the middle, and then click on themes. And inside your themes, you'll be able to see where this loads. There we go. You want to click on install new theme at the very top right. And then here, as you can see, you can drop your files to install here. So what you should do in here is you should drop in this template.zip. I can't do it right now, as you can see, because I don't have the business plan. But when you actually do this and you have the business plan, which this will require, you'll be able to basically just drop in your theme and then install it inside WordPress, and then once you approve it, you'll be able to go ahead and start using it. Now, sometimes it's going to require a few modifications, but they are very easy to basically maneuver around. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.